we just talk? Can we just talk? Think about where we're going. Can we just
Hi guys, happy Friday. I figured I would go ahead and kickstart this vlog. I'm actually about to hop onto an advising appointment in about 10 or so minutes, so I will catch you up after that. I want to go ahead and start it now. I'm going to be doing a montage, cleaning and all kinds of stuff, and then also showing you and decorating my room for fall because we're like midway through October. It's now or never. Just want to go ahead and intro this vlog and hope you guys enjoy. For my meeting, I'm done with that now. I mentioned that I was going to get to cleaning, organizing. I know I need to do my laundry. It is 2:40 right now, so hopefully it'll be done by like dinner time. I'm also going to start editing per usual. I like to do this on Friday afternoons. I go ahead and edit the video for Sunday, at least rough cut it, and then finish it up on Saturday morning. So it is a few hours later. I am about to go ahead and put this laundry in the wash and dryer like I said earlier. It is almost 5. Well folks, we have made it to the laundry area. Let's get to putting in the first load. I'm gonna have a little bit of this body armor drink that my aunt recommended, and I'm gonna quickly wipe off and clean up the kitchen area because the living room's pretty tidy and stuff, but there's just kind of a little bit grim and grime, and since we're cleaning anyway, let's just go ahead and get the kitchen squared away tonight, and that way all we have to do tomorrow is really my room and decorating. So let's get to that. Boom, we got that clean. Dishes have been washed. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like some grim and stuff here, so I'm gonna like wipe this like bar top off real quick, and then I think we'll be good to go with the kitchen. Only had some flowers to go right there. Maybe I'll buy some, I don't know. And voila, all wiped down. It's a lot less grimy. I actually just use this Windex, honestly. It works decent. 5:01, like I said earlier, we have construction going on behind me, so that's why you hear that. We're going to head back upstairs. I think we're going to call that quits tonight. I might throw in a few more clips once the laundry comes out. I remain and I really make a conscious effort to leave here looking like showroom ready. Why not? Why live in a big sty when you don't have to? That's what we do, and I think we do a pretty good job of that. I will chat with you guys tomorrow. See you guys in the morning. Chat soon. Hi guys, it is the next day. As you can see here, I am all dressed, ready to go. I actually filmed a quick little like weekend morning routine as promised yesterday. We are going to kind of decorate me some more. I need to fold all this laundry, put it away, clean, tidy, decorate, all the above. I will show you real quick my outfit. So for my outfit, I'll start with the details first. I have on this cutie little necklace that I got Christmas, I'm pretty sure. These earrings that I got from TJ Maxx over the summer, and then I also have this cute little dress that I got for my birthday this past year, and I'm just wearing these olive slip-on shoes I got for Christmas. Yeah, I figured this was kind of like a fall-ish fit, like the brown kind of made me think fall. Very comfortable, cute game plan. I'll show you. So we basically have a lot of things we need to do today, one including unpacking, and then tomorrow I have to repack, so go get that luggage. So this is what we're working with. I threw in, because I brought some fall clothes with me back up from home last weekend. So you can see here we have some sweatshirts and things that just need to get hung. So I threw in the bag. And wait, that's not all. I have a whole nother tote full. We love that for us, right? So these are all nice and packed up, ready to go for me to hold, hang, whatever needs to happen in order to get them put away. So basically what my plan is to go through here, unpack this bag first, then grab all the laundry as well as this and just put it all away. So I'm gonna put on some music. You're gonna be on a time lapse and we're gonna get to it. Cue the music. Cleared off, everything's put away. Slight train wreck in here. Light this candle. organize this little organizer over here. Pulling card, little candle going right there. Next, I'm going to sweep the floor, clean the sink, clean the toilet, clean the tub, and then the bathroom will be done. Boom, the sink's done. It wasn't that dirty. Has come. We are finally going to decorate the room, pull down those boxes, and then set everything out. So let's do it. Goods down. Perfect is the one on top. All my holiday decor. We have Valentine's Day stuff, which we're not using. Christmas stuff. Here's my fall stuff. Of the few items that I did have for fall, I have a little pumpkin right here, so I just stuck him in the closet to kind of add a little festive touch. Over here, we switched colors. I used to have these white ones that I just have like on off season. I have these orange ones, which kind of bring out the fall look, and then these like little fake leaves. I think, you know, they look cute together. And this little candle I got months ago, and it's called Sunshine. I just like the yellow outside, so I don't know if I'm gonna light it just yet. Just the yellow kind of adds that little fall pop of color. And of course, the classic little pumpkin I got last fall. Add something to the little books. And yeah, that is basically my like fall decorating situation for this year. Pretty minimal, very easy. That's the way I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of clean with me fall decor vlog. Stay on the lookout for a fall day in my life where we'll be going to the local farm, corn mazes, and all the, you know, fall festivities that you normally do for the season in a couple of weeks. So I'm excited to do that with my friends and bring you guys along. So until next time, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye guys.